Let's face it, money is one of the most misunderstood tools in the world. For most people, it's something elusive, something they feel controlled by, something that seems to slip through their fingers no matter how hard they try to hold onto it. People often treat money as a source of stress, anxiety, or even conflict. But what if I told you that money is meant to be your ally? That it can work harder for you than you ever could for it, and that the key to unlocking financial freedom is learning how to make money from money itself? Ask yourself this: are you in control of your money, or is your money in control of you? Too many people are trapped in the rat race, living paycheck to paycheck, constantly working to earn more but never feeling like they're ahead. Why? Because they haven't realized that money isn't just something you earn, it's something you grow. The wealthy don't accumulate money simply by working harder or longer hours, they accumulate money by understanding how to put it to work for them. If you want to achieve true financial independence, you need to shift your mindset from earning money to growing money. You need to stop seeing money as something finite and start seeing it as something that has the power to multiply itself. That's what today's speech is all about: how to take the money you have now, whether it's a little or a lot, and turn it into a money-making machine that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Let's talk about the most fundamental change you need to make if you're serious about building wealth, shifting from the mindset of a worker to the mindset of an investor. It's a mental transformation that sets the foundation for everything else you will achieve financially. Most people are conditioned from a young age to believe that the only way to earn money is to work for it. They're taught to get a job, trade their time for a paycheck, and if they want more money, they should simply work more or work harder. But let me be clear, this is a dead end. There's a ceiling on how much you can earn when you're trading time for money because time is limited. Now, compare that to the mindset of an investor. Investors understand that while time is limited, money is infinite. It has the potential to grow exponentially if used properly. Instead of thinking, how much can I earn this month? Investors ask, how can I make my money work for me so that I earn even when I'm not working? That is the key difference. You see, the wealthy don't just work for money, they create systems where their money works for them. The first step to making money from money is recognizing that every dollar you earn has the potential to become more. It's not just something to spend, it's something to plant, like a seed. Imagine your money as a tree that grows and produces fruit over time. But it can't grow if you don't plant it. Too many people spend everything they earn, thinking that the only way to get more money is to keep working. They're missing out on the incredible potential that comes from investing, whether it's in stocks, real estate, bonds, or even businesses. And don't get me wrong, this isn't about being overly frugal or living a life of deprivation. It's about being strategic with how you use your money. If you're going to spend money, spend it on things that have the potential to give you a return. Don't buy liabilities that take money out of your pocket, buy assets that put money into your pocket. It's about adopting a long-term view. Every financial decision you make should be with the goal of increasing your future wealth, not just satisfying short-term desires. Let's dive into one of the most powerful financial tools available to you: compound interest. Albert Einstein famously called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. It's the principle that has created more millionaires and billionaires than any other financial strategy, yet it remains vastly underutilized by the average person. Why? Because people don't take the time to understand its true potential. Compound interest is the mechanism by which your money can work for you continuously, growing and multiplying without any extra effort on your part. So, what exactly is compound interest? Simply put, it's the process of earning interest on both your original investment and the interest that your investment has already earned. Imagine you invest $1,000 with a 7% annual return. In the first year, you earn $70. In the second year, you don't just earn interest on the $1,000, you earn it on the $1,070. And in the third year, you earn interest on the total from the previous year, and so on. This creates a snowball effect where your money grows faster and faster the longer it's invested. But here's the kicker: the earlier you start, the more powerful compound interest becomes. Time is the most critical factor in maximizing compound interest. Let's say two people invest $5,000. One starts at age 25, the other at age 35. Even if they both earn the same rate of return, the person who started at 25 will end up with significantly more money by the time they retire. Why? Because their money had 10 extra years to grow. The magic of compound interest lies in its ability to multiply your wealth with minimal ongoing effort. All it takes is time, patience, and discipline. You don't need to be a financial expert or have a huge sum of money to start. Even small amounts, when compounded over time, can turn into substantial wealth. But, and this is important, you have to start. If you're not taking advantage of compound interest, you're essentially leaving money on the table. Now, let's talk about diversification. I can't emphasize enough how crucial this is for anyone who wants to make money from money. The biggest mistake people make when they start investing is putting all their eggs in one basket. They think, this stock is a sure thing or real estate never fails, and they pour all their resources into one area. Then, when the market shifts or a downturn hits, they lose everything. Diversification is your safety net. It's how you protect your wealth while still growing it. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and even cash. This way, if one investment performs poorly, others may perform well, balancing out your overall returns. No matter how confident you are in a particular investment, every asset class carries some degree of risk. The goal of diversification is to reduce your overall risk by not being overly reliant on the performance of any one asset. Think of your investments as a well-balanced diet. Just as your body needs different nutrients to function optimally, your portfolio needs exposure to different types of assets to grow sustainably. If you eat only one type of food, you might survive for a while, but eventually, your body will suffer from a lack of essential nutrients. The same principle applies to your investments. You can't rely solely on one asset class, whether it's stocks, real estate, or anything else, because no single asset class performs well in every economic environment. One of the best ways to start diversifying is by investing in index funds or ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These investment vehicles automatically give you exposure to a wide range of assets, reducing your risk and providing steady returns over time. As you gain more experience, you can begin to diversify further by adding individual stocks, real estate, or alternative investments like gold or cryptocurrency. Diversification is not just about reducing risk, it's also about maximizing your opportunities. Different markets perform well under different conditions. Stocks might soar during a bull market, while bonds might provide stability during a downturn. Real estate might appreciate steadily over time, while commodities can hedge against inflation. By spreading your investments across multiple asset classes, you increase your chances of benefiting from different market trends and cycles. Let's get to the gold standard of wealth creation, passive income. This is what truly separates the wealthy from everyone else. Passive income is money that comes in without you having to actively work for it. It's the ultimate goal of making money from money because it means you're no longer trading your time for dollars. You're creating a system where money flows to you automatically. There are many ways to generate passive income, but they all share one common characteristic: they require an initial investment of time, money, or both. Once that investment is made, however, the income keeps coming in with little to no ongoing effort on your part. This is the secret to financial freedom. You're no longer dependent on your job or your time to generate income. Whether you're sleeping, traveling, or enjoying life with your loved ones, your passive income streams continue to flow. Let's explore a few proven ways to create passive income. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you receive regular payments, dividends, from the company's profits. This is an excellent way to generate a steady stream of passive income while also benefiting from the potential appreciation of the stock. Investing in rental properties can provide consistent monthly income while the property appreciates in value over time. Yes, it requires upfront capital and some initial management, but once you have reliable tenants in place, the income becomes largely passive. Also, platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. It's a way to earn income passively by essentially acting as a bank. If you're a creator, whether you write, design, or develop software, you can create digital products that sell over and over again. E-books, courses, apps, and music are all examples of products that require an upfront investment but generate passive income indefinitely. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. It's especially powerful when combined with a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence. The beauty of passive income is that once the system is in place, the income keeps coming in with little to no ongoing effort. This is the true power of making money work for you. It frees up your time, allowing you to focus on other ventures, spend time with your loved ones, or simply enjoy life. Let's be honest, you've heard this before. You've heard people talk about investments, passive income, and financial freedom, but what have you done about it? The difference between those who succeed and those who don't isn't luck, it's action. You don't have to be the smartest person in the room, but you do have to be the person who takes the first step. Here's the truth: the longer you wait, the harder it gets. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity for your money to work for you. Every dollar you spend on something that doesn't grow is a dollar that could have been invested, a dollar that could have multiplied. Don't fall into the trap of thinking that you need more money to start. Start with what you have, even if it's just a small amount. The most important thing is to get started. So, what's your next move? Will you keep working for money, or will you start making money work for you? Will you let another year pass by without taking action, or will you start planting the seeds of your financial future today? The choice is yours, and it's a choice that will define your future. Make the right one.